Alright. G19. Okay, G19. Very nice, very small, right? Nice little retention holster that goes in. Right? You gotta break the retention. Okay? Okay? See those bad boys in there? Ooh. That's 15. That's 15 stacks. But anyway, nice and smooth. Right? Nice and nice. Not too long, not too short. Perfect.